जो आप बिल ला रहे हैं, आप देश को बांटने का काम कर रहे हैं, जोड़ने का काम नहीं कर रहे हैं। आप दुश्मन हैं मुसलमानों के, उसका सबूत ये बिल है।
Why should somebody who does not believe in a particular religion have the right to make decisions on behalf of that religion?
This bill is passed, the entire boxing system will be collapsed. Sir. That is going to happen. Similarly, sir, various bodies, work board and work council, all these bodies will have no existence. They will not have any value because all the powers vested with these bodies are captured by the government and handed over to the district collectors.